Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Watch me install this body wave wig by the company Wiggins Hair. When I tell you guys I turned from bum to baddie in 5 minutes, y'all gonna see. This wig already came curled and all that. I didn't even have to put curls in, and the curls was giving straight out the package. I started off with putting some of my foundation on the lace and on my wig cap. The wig also came with a band, so it was easy to apply and just fit right over my head. I plucked the front a little bit, but it really didn't need any plucking. I also used a hot comb just to flatten a little bit on my head. But when I tell y'all, this wig was just like a wear and go. Like, you really did not have to do too much to it. And if you're a beginner with wearing wigs, like, this was definitely for you. I started to cut off the excess lace. And then I sprayed my Ebin lace glue on it. I actually did not use hair glue because I did not want it on for too long. But this actually works really good for an install that you want to wear throughout the day. This is how the Ebin glue melted the lace. This is after I melted it with the lace band. And then I went in with my concealer to give it more scalp. And look, that's all I had to do, y'all. Period. Now I'm gonna go in and make some edges. I always do my edges in a C shape, so I just grab it like a C, bring it down, and then cut it towards my eyebrows. I don't know, I just fell in love with these curls. Like, this is the best wig that I ever received. It was so bouncy. The details will be left in the description box down below. Thank you.